If you want to control the flavor, you should have a good coffee. First time we have a dripper coffee first, and then we can process. If you have a green one, cannot process. You cannot control, and the customer they don't like. They have a shadow, and when we make organic way, the one thing is bigger, and the color is better. Yeah, the biscuit. Yeah, you can try. Dạ. Dạ không. Đi xuống thường nhưng mà em dẫn đi một vòng trước.
Cái này học.
Dạ.
Phải.
Two more please. Best one.
Đó là coffee á.
Mấy trăm điện. Gotcha. 손알이太いよね。ね。3人からね、せめて。あ、そうなの。
The best one they go up.
Okay.
Not wood.
Not wood.
The wood one go down. That's the reason why we made the wood coffee for the best quality.
円錐線的なのになると。
Lấy cái rổ để vớt cái gà cho nó.
Do you know why the wood it's higher in the water? No. Higher than water. Okay.
Like that.
Why did this up? Up? Why this down?
Like that. Okay.
Do you know why?
Because the air.
The air?
Dry and
Dry.
water content decrease.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
First time, this is too old, you know. Yeah, so this is dry, so they go up. And second thing, you can see this red one. I think it is better, but inside the worm eating. Worm eating. So that is the reason why the air go in and they up. Yeah. So this is one of step very important of make the high quality Vietnamese coffee. Yeah. In the normal farmer they don't do this one.
Really?
Yeah, they drying. When they have it, they drying.
Ah.
They don't make this step. So the flavor is not good.
Oh. No.
But if you do this one, you need more time, huh?
Yeah.
Tắt nước hả? Tắt nước được chưa?
Okay. Bỏ về luôn. Nhiều quá các bạn bỏ về luôn.
이렇지 않고 뭔가. 아, 잠깐 그쪽. 아, 저거. 그림 느낌이 좀 다르네.
緑は何も使えない。確かに。
使うんじゃないなんか。
Misery agree. But we don't It's
緑コーヒー。
màu xanh nhưng mà là chơi con màu đỏ.
How do you use the green one? You
Selling.
just sell? Okay.
Selling from the local.
Oh.
They buy 8,000 đồng for 1 kilo.
아, kilo 8,000.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Very cheap.
After roast you sell or before roast?
This one, 300,000.
300,000.
Yeah, come.
300,000.
Yeah. But 7 kilo this one can make 1 kilo after roti.
Ah,
Yeah, 7 kilo this one.
just 1 kilo.
For 1 kilo.
7 kilo become 1 kilo
Yeah.
after roasting.
Normally it's 5 kilogram, 5 kilogram. But we should to soften the defect bean before rotting. So it's more 2 kilogram. And after rotting we lost 20% 20%
Evaporate.
Yeah.
Thì
Được, mình sẽ đang sơ tàu như là màn thành đầu tiên tàu ngõ. Còn nữa không ta?
Nướng tiền đó. Con nướng tăng đen. Green. Con nhỏ. Rất ngon. Cái nọ.しかも若干皮むけてるやつめっちゃゼリーぬるぬるです。機械があればね、普通に色で全部識別して、一列に並んで識別してバーっていつもんだけど。チーなんだ。いや、俺チーなんだって思った。あ、そっか、お客さんやからか。そういうこと。
運転手さんとか明らかに年上でも放置しても本当その方が多いかも。そんなん俺も嫌だ。
なんかみんな農家の補助金に文句言うけど、それなかったら値段上がるもんね。
一番高かったこと必要やってますからね。なくなったら
毎日日に焼けて。
Okay, ready?